Welcome to the new weekly analysis with Harmonic SAP Scanner. The Harmonic SAP Scanner shows you harmonic patterns on the chart and sends you notification over the Telegram when new harmonic pattern appears on the chart, where you have all the forex and you have also the crypto symbols available to watch on the scanner. Here you have also a video where that explains what are the most important informations about the scanner and how to use that in forex trading. Here are the most details about real-time notifications. You have also community on Facebook. You have machine learning interface that shows you and finds you the most suitable patterns on the certain symbols. Below that you have all what is available. You have forex, you have crypto, bonds, indices, commodity and metals. That is all available inside Harmonic SAP Scanner. Here are also the analysis that are made like this one on the weekly basis. Now going back on the Harmonic SAP Scanner, feel free to click here this button on the upper right side and the scanner will appear, where you have a chart with all the patterns that are formed directly on the chart for the certain symbol. In this case we have Hong Kong 33 on the daily time frame with on the broker, which we have all the details. These are the old patterns that are formed currently on the chart for the daily time frame for this symbol. We have technical indicator that shows you neutral status, which is the aggregate result of multiple indicators such as moving average, RSI and MACD. Then we have a trend which says it is currently a weak trend, and it is a strong trend is ideal for patterns like triple double top bottom, head and shoulders and triangle. Harmonic patterns are better for weekly trending markets. So when there is a weak trending market, it is better to watch these patterns, harmonic patterns that shows on the chart. So currently we have one bullish bad pattern which is formed on the chart. We have a bullish double bottom which you can click simply and show, and it will be shown here on the chart. We can see that this one was successful because it was a double bottom where the price was trying to move up and the price has reached the take profit, which is a green line. A stop loss was slightly below this pattern. Then we have another one which was a crab, and the crab shows us that the D point, which was the potential reversal zone, is right here. So this bad pattern is still in the game, where we can see that the price is moving down, reaching the second take profit, but this trigger point, the D point, was not reached. Then we have another one which is a crab where the price has reached potential reversal zone and it's currently heading back down, reaching the take profit level, first one, and the second green line, which is second take profit. Here the red line is the stop loss. The risk to reward ratio, which currently it is visible here between this one and between the stop loss, which means the entry level and stop loss, currently we have the risk to reward ratio 1:3 or 4, because the difference between the stop loss and the take profits are very large. Then we have here second one, which is a crab, and we can see here it is written, even though reward to risk is 5:5.47, which is a great information. And we have one bad pattern that it is still format, but it is still not reached. The potential reversal zone is not reached, so this one is still open. Now you can also use these buttons to show or hide special these symbols, or you can simply remove it from the list currently that are available on the chart. If you would like to remove all of them, simply click show hide all, and all the patterns will be removed for easier analyzing of the chart. Now if you would like to remove this one window, you can move it around, but you can click this button and it will hide or show this floating window. Next step is to use the monitor tab, where you have all the details. You have available to select which symbols you would like to filter, but you have here other settings where you can make more filters, which patterns you would like to have here on the chart inside this table below. Then you have a time frame, you have asset classes, then you have here security, especially by each of these symbols. So you can remove all of these, you can activate all of these, and you can select one of these here. When you do that, you can also make another filter specific filter among all of these which are below, simply type here and click enter. For example, I have put Euro USD. So Euro USD is visible here. I have settings set to have all time frames from the 5 minutes to the monthly, and all symbols that are available, all the patterns for the Euro USD are available written here. The green arrow represents a bullish Euro USD double bottom pattern. The red one, the red arrow, represents a double top, a bearish double top on the Euro USD for the 4-hour time frame. And we can see here what is the currently status. A complete means that this pattern has been formed and it's valid, available for trading. This one is already finished, where the take profit has been reached. This one has been failed, where the price has reached a stop loss instead of take profit. And then below that you have all the details for these symbols. Some of them failed, some of them successful, but you can check them here directly on the chart by simply clicking on them. Then you have a notification window where you have available table with all the symbols that are currently formed on the chart, but you can make a filter. Currently I have put filter for the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, which means I would like to also have only a bad pattern visible. So I will have only bad pattern on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. So when there is a pattern formed on the chart, which means a completed ready for trading, I will get notification on the Telegram or Telegram bot. So this window is a selection which patterns you would like to get notification on the Telegram. Here inside the watch list you have a possibility to select Forex major, Forex minor, but you can add more symbols if you would like. For example, I have added all of these ones where you can see I have added indices, I have added crypto. Simply click here which symbol you would like to have, and if it is available you'll see it here available. For example, if we put BTC against USDT, it will be visible here, and you simply click on it and add it. I already have added this one, so if you would like to remove some of these, simply click here, delete this one. If there is any bad patterns formed, for example for the BTC USD, I will get notification on the Telegram, so I will get a link directly here on the chart here, so I can make the analysis. So this is all how the Harmonic SAP scanner works. You define which symbols you would like to get notification on the Telegram, which symbols, which pattern, which time frame, and then you can make the analysis directly on the chart, or you can also come here to make some kind of the analysis of certain symbols and patterns. Now let's turn back on the previous examples where I have shared with the traders what will happen inside the Telegram group. For the gold members, I give on the weekly basis when new pattern appears that could be successful, I make the analysis and share with the traders right here. For example, this one here is Hong Kong 33. We can see, just a minute, Hong Kong 33 is this one here. We can see where I have shared the details on the daily time frame. We can see that here, where it was expected that the price will drop down from 19665 with the take profit 17578. So 19665 was the entry level where the potential reversal zone is, and we can see that the price has reached this one and it is currently moving down, which means the price is trying to move in the direction of the take profit. First take profit will be around 17578. We can see that here, 17578, which will be around this support level. So the price is currently very close to the support and the first take profit. Then we have here the second, which one is euro against Czech crown, if I am correct. We can see that right here. Let's return here to the Telegram to see where the price was trying. We had here the potential reversal zone around 24.46, 24.46. The price has reached this one. We can see that 24.55, very close to the entry level, 24.46. We can see it, the potential reversal zone. Currently the price is turning back up, which means there is a potential that this could be a successful bad pattern with the take profits above this one. Let's see, is there any others? We can see gold against HKD. Gold against HKD. This one is failed because the price has turned all the way back down. We can see I have mentioned that we could see here this gold against HKD on the 4-hour time frame. The price could reach 18387 with the stop loss 18202. The price has gone all the way back down below the stop loss, so this one is a failed one. So this is something I share with the traders. So for now we could have two successful until on the daily time frame, until this pattern closes, this one and also this one. They are still available, but we had one gold against HKD which has been failed. So we'll see what happens for these two. Now for the, if you would like to make the analysis like this one, or you would like to get this telephone notification, feel free to join this one for the gold membership. When you register with the gold membership, you will get a link for the Telegram group, so you can join and ask anything and receive these kind of analysis during the week when there is potential successful bad pattern format on the 4-hour or the daily time frames. Now if you would like to check on your own this kind of scanner and check what is the goal, I will explain slightly what is the idea about the bad pattern on the daily and the 4-hour time frame. For example, if you click here on this symbol, you will be redirected here to the chart where you can make the analysis to see what is the entry level, what is the take profit 1 and 2, and what is the stop loss. First criteria I have when analyzing the bad pattern is to see is it in line with the trend. Currently we can see that the price is moving sideways, so there is no clear trend. I go out from this chart, then I open second one to see how this one looks. If it is in line with the trend, then I analyze this one. Currently we can see that the price was forming an uptrend, then it was moving sideways, then the price formed this uptrend and returned back down. So this one would be potentially for the analysis, but currently it is 4-hour time frame and it's already passed, so I'm a little bit too late. But if you react when you get notification, then you can also analyze on time. Let's see on the daily time frame this one. Let's see how this looks. This is the one where we can see the price is moving in the uptrend. This one is here. When the price moving sideways, the price moving sideways. So this one has not fulfilled the first criteria, so I skip this one. Let's check this one. This one is moving uptrend, moving sideways, and it's moving down. So this one is also not very good. Example. Sorry, this one has been already checked. Let's check this one. This one is moving sideways. There is no clear trend, so I skip this one. So as I make these kind of analysis, first one as a filter, until I found the good one, I skip all of these, because this is the analysis I'm trying to make with the scanner. So sometimes when you get a bad pattern that is in line with the trend, you increase the chances of being successful. So will that happen? Depends on the notification you set. If you would like to receive more of these, simply check the 1-hour time frame where you will get much more in notification from the Harmonic scanner when there is a potential setup. Now if you would like to check other patterns, not only a bad pattern which I currently have, you can simply make that happen by selecting them inside the filter. And to have that filter, simply collect this watch list and select which one you would like to have, and check here which patterns you would receive notification on the Telegram and on which time frame. Now I have checked up back to 11th of June, so I will not get more in the past, because currently I can see there was no new patterns available on the market on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, that are in line with the trend for the bad pattern for the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. This is something that can happen on the market when there are no clear signals, so it is better to wait the best setup compared to trading less profitable and less successful, potentially successful symbols on the market. This is all for this weekly analysis. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time and happy trading.